are you doing today? I hope that you all had a wonderful weekend and that you're well rested and are ready for today's lesson. So good morning. What is the weather today? Could you look outside of your window and tell me what the weather is like for you? So you would say, Miss, today the weather is... Okay, interesting. Well, this is what the weather is like for me today. Today the weather is cloudy. For me, the weather is cloudy. I see the sun trying to peek right here. This weather is making me sing. Oh, Mr. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. I want Mr. Sun to come out from behind the clouds and shine down on me so I can have a sunshine day today. But the weather is cloudy and I just have to accept that. Let's review the days of the week. The days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. What day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Sunday. Yesterday was beginning of the week. It was Sunday. Did you get that right? Yes, yesterday was Sunday. And if yesterday was Sunday, what day is it today? Today is Monday. Yay! First day of the week, time for school. And if today is Monday, what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Great job. Did you get all of those right? Great job. Today is Monday the 22nd of February in the year 2021 and this is grade 1 maths. And here I have for you a baby. What is this? Same animal that was here? It's a panda. Yes, it's a giant panda. And then this is how the baby panda looks. Isn't it so adorable? Like, look at this cute little face. And what is it? The color of its fur? Its fur is white and it has some black. So yes, it has black and white fur, just like a zebra. Yeah, but a zebra is striped. This one isn't really striped. Okay, now the number of the week is 7. Yes, the number of the week is 7. Let's spell 7 together. S-E-V-E-N 7. This is for you to practice spelling, alright? So yes, this is the number of the week, 7, that's in words. And this is how it looks in figure. This is numeral 7 or the digit 7 or the number 7. All of that is just to say this is number 7, alright? Now let's how 7 fingers look. Could you hold up 7 fingers for me? Put up 5 fingers on one hand and 2 on the other. And 5 and 2 come together to make 7. So yes, that means 5 plus 2 is 7. And if I wanted to flip it around, I would also say that 2 plus 5 equals 7. Nice, you're so smart. I have some baby pandas here sleeping. But how many baby pandas are there sleeping in their bed? Do you want to count them with me? Let's count them together. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sleeping baby pandas. We might have to whisper so we don't wake them up. Right, now let's move on again. So the number of the week, this is how it looks on a domino. But the domino doesn't give you just one big 7. You see like how we had a big 6 before and it was all 6 on one side. No, you don't get a big 7 in domino. You have 2 numbers that come together. When you add them all together, you get a 7. So let's see. How many dots are on this side? 1, 2, 3. Right? How many dots are on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add them all together and see what we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many dots in all? 7. Right. This means 3 plus 4 equals 7. So that's how we get 7 on a domino. That's one way of getting 7 on a domino. How do we write the number 7? Let's learn.
How do we write the number 7? across the sky and slide the line. Makes a 7 every time. Let's try that again. Across the sky and slide the line. Makes a 7 every time.
Now it's your turn.
Let's see if you can say it this time.
Did you get it?
Nice job.
Great job. Let's move on. So today for maths, we're going to be looking at something called ordinal numbers. And yes, there's a panda rolling down the hill. We're going to be looking at ordinal numbers. And by the end of the lesson, you're going to be able to identify ordinal numbers and use them correctly. All right? Okay, now let's get into it. Ordinal numbers. Now count these seashells for me. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. How many seashells are there? There are 3 seashells. We just counted them. Alright? But what if I was supposed to tell you that the shells were in a race? Would you say 1, 2, 3 still? What would you say? You would say 1 is first, second, and third. Alright? We use numbers such as 1, 2, and 3 to count. That's how we count. You say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? That's counted. But we use numbers such as first, second, and third to give position, to tell you the order of something, to tell you the position in which something came, right? And they are called ordinal numbers, all right? So ordinal numbers tell position. They tell what? Position. We're going to be exploring ordinal numbers some more. So let's look at this picture. Let's talk about it. What do you see happening here? The people are standing in a line. They're standing in a line and they're trying to use the ATM machine to get some money. Does your mommy have an ATM card, or auntie or somebody? Alright, so yeah, it's a card that you can use to go to a machine and get money from. So you don't have to stand in line at the bank. You can stand in line at the ATM machine. It's sometimes faster. Alright, so here we have the people standing in line at the ATM machine. When you stand in line, you are in an order. Alright, things would go in order, like how you had to stand in line to get your snack from mama. You had to stand one behind the other, and the person that's in front is the person that is what? First. Right, so these are the ordinal numbers here. So this is it in figure and this is it in words. And her name is Hannah. Her name is Hannah. And Hannah is first in line. And who is behind of Hannah here? Who is this? His name is Kamal. His name is Kamal. And Kamal is behind of Hannah, who is first. So that means Kamal is second. Yes, this is second in figure and this is it in words. So Kamal is second. And who is behind of Kamal? This hot person here with this fancy hat and nice outfit. Who is behind of Kamal? Look at her on her heels. Do you know her name? Let's see. Stella. Stella. This is Stella. Stella is so fancy. I love her outfit. Right, so Stella is behind of Kamal, who is second. So that means Stella is third. Yes, third. This is it in figures. This is it in words. Nice. And who is this girl behind of Stella? She's talking on the phone. I wonder who she's talking to on the phone there. But do you know her name? Her name is right here. Can you sound it out for me? Lana. Her name is Lana. And Lana is behind of Stella. And Stella is third. So that means Lana is fourth. She is fourth in line behind of Stella. Nice. Now let's see this guy right here. Let's see if we can blend his name out. Amir. His name is Amir. And he is fifth. Right. So after 4 comes 5. So yes, he's behind of Lana. So he's in 5th place. And this girl right here, the A and the E here are going to give us an A sound. Okay, so it will be Raven. Her name is Raven. Alright, so this is Raven, and she is in 6th place. She is behind of Amir. She's the last person in the line, so she's in 6th place. So that means that there are 6 persons in this line with Raven in 6th place. So as you can see here, ordinal numbers, they have figures and they have words, all right, that match them. It's as though you are counting but with a little extraness to it, all right, because you see the numbers stay the same. You see 1 2 3 4 5 6, but instead of saying that, because we're talking about order, we're talking about position, we have to now say first ordinal number there, second, third, fourth, fifth, and 6th. All right, so when we use those words, we show order, just like the days of the week, right? You would use ordinal numbers for the date, sorry, not the days of the week, for the date. When you say like today is Monday the 22nd, that's an ordinal number. All right, now let's continue exploring ordinal numbers some more. A is the first letter of the alphabet. So A is first. It's in first place. It's the one in front. It's the first one that you see. So it's in first place. G is the blank letter. So we have to figure out what position G is in. So we are going to go from first. We're going to count from the person that's in the first place. We're going to come from A, and we're going to count downwards, and we're going to figure out what G is, okay? So you have first, B is second, C is third, D is fourth, E is fifth, F is sixth, and that means G is seventh. Nice. So G is the 7th letter of the alphabet. You see G right here? It's 7th. All right? Nice. Great job. We're going to practice again some more. My name is Lana. The first letter of my name is L. So the L will be the first letter in Lana. What is the third letter? So let's look at her name. This is her name now, Lana. What's the first letter? The first letter, the one that we begin with, is L. So we have to figure out what is the third letter. So we're going to go from first and we're going to go up to third. Okay, so first, second, third. What's the third letter in her name? It is N. N says nice. The first picture is a flower. Which picture is second? So it tells us which one is first. So we're going to go from the one that's first. This is the flower, and then we're going to go following after that now and figure out which one is second. We're going to come from here. So this is our starting point. So this is first, and this is second place. So which picture is in second place? The butterfly. Nice. The butterfly is in second place. Great job. Now we're going to try some more together. So let's try together. The first picture is a sun. Do you see the sun? Nice. Which picture is third? So that's tree. You see the third here as a tree. So we're looking for the one that's in third place. So the sun is first. Let's go. We're going to follow after the sun. We're going to count down this way. We're going to go behind the sun. So this is first. This is second. And this is third. Which picture is third? The star. Right. The star is in the third place. Nice. The first picture is a cat. Quite cute black cat. Which picture is fourth? So we're going to go from the first place and we're going to count downwards and we're going to try to figure out which picture is fourth. So first, second, third, fourth. So which picture is fourth? It's another cat. So this cat is in fourth place. Nice job. The first picture is a sub. Which picture is 10th? This is a really big number now, all right? So we're going to take our time and we're going to count this and we're going to get it right. So let's go. This is a submarine, or sub for short, and this one is in first place. So we're going to count until we get to 10 and we're going to see what is in the 10th place, all right? So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th, 10th. Nice, we got to 10. We got to the number 10, and so in ordinal numbers, this is 10th. And so which picture is in the 10th place? It's a fish. Yes, so we have this fish, which is in the 10th place, and we would say it's in last place because it's the last one. All right, and so that is how we use ordinal numbers to give position. All right, now it's your turn to do some work. You're going to practice. You're going to click on the link sent in the chat. When you're finished with your video, have your parents message me and say, Miss, I'm done with the video, send me the link please, and I will send it to you, and then you will complete your work. All right, you're going to complete the activities. You're going to click on the link and you're going to finish the activity. And bye bye guys, that's the end of our maths lesson for today. I'm gonna miss you guys.